do one more unboxing tonight, and then I'm really for real gotta go to sleep because all of a sudden the sleepies kicked in big time. I'm ready to go to bed finally, which I should have done hours ago now. But anyway, we're doing one more Target Beauty box unboxing. This one is also from March, and this is the Out of Office box. It's pretty big, especially compared to the other one with like the skincare stuff, just comparatively in size. And shorter too, so one's quite a bit smaller, but for how itty bitty those samples were, yeah, I would imagine this one would be bigger. This is much more average box size, but it's pretty heavy. And again, we do not have the watercolor aesthetic. That makes me a little sad, but we do have pretty cool water. Some leaves, just pretty coral, you know. It's nice. It's nice. So, tissue paper is bright yellow. Spring break. Whether you're jet setting to the Caribbean, road tripping with your BFFs, or heading back home for some family time, spring break calls for beauty products that we can rely on, especially when on the go. We rounded up all the tried and true brands that'll help you feel refreshed and look your best all week long. Psst, they're travel friendly too. Okay, so let's get on into here. And what have we got? We have got Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. This is another cleanser I was considering buying actually in the full size. What does it say? Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser for use on combination skin, normal to oily skin types. Low foaming formula gently yet effectively removes surface oils, dirt, and makeup without stripping skin. Tip, massage a small amount onto wet skin, then rinse away for a fresh, clean feeling without tightness or overdrying. Perfect. We have got, this I'm surprised with, that it's actually full freaking size. This is Schmidt's Rose and Black Pepper Hemp Seed Oil Enriched Natural Deodorant. I am concerned that it looks like there's some residue on the outside. This better not be used. I will be really upset. No, okay, it's got the little protector thingy on the top. No, it looks okay, I think. That smells interesting. I'll read what the thingy says in a sec. Has an interesting texture to it. It almost has that look that lip balms take on when they're spoiled, when they have the bumpies on them, but this is deodorant, so hopefully that's a different deal, because it does have bumps all over it. But this isn't even old unless it's old stock, because I mean this is just from like 2 months ago. This should not have an issue. But anyway. Yeah, it just seemed odd that there's no seal or anything, and yet there's a little bit of a, don't know what's going on here there. This has no aluminum in it, and no artificial fragrance. Directions: hold product momentarily to skin to soften on contact with body heat, then gently apply a small amount to your underarms. Odd. It says, Schmidt's Rose and Black Pepper Natural Deodorant enriched with hemp seed oil for sensitive skin. This luxurious, long-lasting scent neutralizes odor and keeps you feeling fresh and smelling delicious all day long. It's certified vegan and cruelty-free. Well, that's always a good thing. Okay, next we have... Ooh, a facial mist. I like facial mists. This is a facial mist with witch hazel aloe vera formula in rose petal. Oh, nice. Flower power. Thayer's rose petal witch hazel with aloe vera will make your skin bloom. This natural, gentle skin toner is derived from a time-honored Native American formula. Thayer's developed this natural toner for healthy-looking skin, adding moisture while helping to protect the skin from airborne impurities, and is an alternative to drying astringents. Thayer's certified organic Witch hazel is grown exclusively for Thayers on a family farm in Fairfield County, Connecticut. Our unique blend fillet of aloe vera to hydrate skin, calming rose water to help soften your skin and give it a naturally healthy glow, and witch hazel to tighten pores and smooth skin without drying. Thayer's proprietary witch hazel extract is not distilled, thereby maintaining all the beneficial natural tannins. Alcohol-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free, rose water cleanses, tones. Okay. Pretty happy about that, actually. It says over here, unique blend of pore cleansing rose petal and certified organic aloe vera cleanses, tones, moisturizes, and balances the skin's pH level, revealing a gorgeous glowing complexion. Simply mist throughout the day to give your face an instant refresher. So this is basically like the Pixie by Petra Rose Glow Mist, from what I'm understanding here, except even better because it has witch hazel in it, which helps fight acne and such. And the aloe in it is very calming, although the other might have aloe in it too. I'd have to go look at ingredients, but this stuff sounds really good. And there's no artificial colors in it, unlike that guy. So, you know, this is one that if I like it enough, I might very well buy the full size of that, because I have found I really like facial mists, and they play nice with my skin, especially when they have rose water in them. Okay, so this is by, what brand is this? OGX Refresh and Restore Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. Indulge in this island secret infused with coconut oil, essence of tiare, and vanilla bean extract. It helps to absorb oil, restore, and revive hair for silky soft island girl hair. Let's see here. Ingredients. Isobutane, propane, alcohol, denatured alcohol, aluminum starch, octanyl succinate, coconut oil, gardenia fruit extract, vanilla fruit extract, silica, isopropyl myrostate, glycerin, water, alcohol, fragrance. So unless it's hiding in fragrance, I actually might be able to use this one, because I don't see coconut water, milk, or fruit extract listed here. But if it's in the fragrance, I might not be able to use it. Coconut oil is the one I'm okay with, so maybe this one could work. This dry shampoo, infused with coconut oil, essence of tiare, and vanilla bean extract, helps to absorb oil, extend your style, and revive your strands, leaving hair smelling irresistible and feeling fresh between washes. How to: spritz onto hair, then massage through roots to absorb excess oil. So just like every other freaking dry shampoo. That's saying for a $7 box, this is not bad in terms of value, just saying. Oh, another dry shampoo. Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. Instant results. Absorbs excess oils, leaves no residue. Fresh volume, unscented. So there's no time to wash and style after that epic gym workout, or is Tuesday your no wash day? That's no problem, because Clean Freak will do the tidying up for you. This unscented version of one of our must-haves is perfect for all the sensitive scalp style connoisseurs who want a fragrance-free freshen up. Still containing those same oil-absorbing properties you're looking for, this new dry shampoo is made just for you. Excuse me. That actually sounds fantastic. I'm really looking forward to that. Let's see here. Unscented formula refreshes strands and instantly absorbs oil and odor, so day-old hair looks lush and full of life. Yeah, I definitely could make use of that, because a lot of the dry shampoos that I've tried, they're usually so heavily scented to like within an hour or two, I have to go take a full shower, which the whole point was to avoid doing, because the fragrance is so strong that it gives me a headache. So, now we've got Nexus here. Nexus Therapy, or is it Therapy? Ultimate Moisture Shampoo. Exclusive protein fusion blend with elastin protein and green caviar. Cleanses and rebalances hair by rebuilding broken bonds and replenishing nutrients. Caviar, you say? My hair is going to be bougie. And then we've got the matching conditioner, which may even be a little bigger. No, they're the same size. Next is Humectorous Ultimate Moisture Conditioner. Oh, they're not matching. Exclusive protein fusion blend with elastin protein and green caviar. Oh, wait, yeah, it is. Green caviar smooths hair surface and helps protect hair from breakage by locking in nourishment. So just saying, all of that for $7. I cannot complain. I may have bitched about the tiny sizes in the skincare box, although those brands are probably high-end enough to where it's still a steal, like, let's be real. But this box, I feel like I'm getting an excellent value for my buck. So, anyway guys, that's it for this one. I really need to sleep, so you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, I'm going to head off to bed now, so good night. See you next time.